Alright, tack install. Get yourself a tack. This is a really cheap one. It was like $8 off of eBay. Normally gonna have like 5 wires out the back, 2 power, 2 ground, and a green signal. I took both powers, both grounds, and tapped them into this is a switch for the electronic mirrors. You could use any power or ground from the ignition, so that when you turn the key on, that pops on there. And then for the signal wire, there's off of your coil here, this plug, you're going to have a black wire and a green wire. Tap it into the green wire from the tack into the green wire from this. Easy peasy. Pretty easy. So, yeah, I don't know. Subscribe and comment if you got any questions. And that's that.